Before we start,
Please subscribe to the channel.
like this video and turn on the bell notification. Also, share it with your friends and family. Your support helps me make more videos for you. Thank you! Today's story is a long and fun lesson. Going to the vegetable market with my mom.
We will learn vegetable names, shopping phrases, prices, bargaining.
Health benefits, and even a simple recipe.
Keep watching until the end. There will be practice and a quiz.
Let's begin! Good morning. It is a sunny day. I am in my room. I am getting ready because today I am going to the vegetable market with my mom. We need to buy fresh vegetables for the whole week.
Let's get started.
Mom calls me. Aalia, are you ready? Yes, Mom. I am almost ready.
We need to buy fresh vegetables for the whole week.
Let me tell you the vegetables we need.
We need to buy fresh vegetables for the whole week. Let me tell you the vegetables we need.
Potatoes, onions, carrots, cucumbers.
And many more. Fresh and healthy. Vocabulary practice. Repeat after me. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Potatoes, potatoes. Onions, onions. Onions, onions.
Carrots, carrots. Cucumbers, cucumbers. Great job!
We decide to walk to the market. It is healthy and not far.
On the way, Mom asks
Oh, what did she ask?
if we could go to the park.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite is carrot.
Carrots are good for your eyes. They have vitamin A. And what vegetable do you dislike?
I don't like bitter gourd. It is very bitter, but it is good for health. Carrots are good for your eyes.
They have vitamin A. Tomatoes are good for skin and heart. Spinach gives you iron and makes you strong. Cucumbers keep you hydrated and cool.
Fresh vegetables are healthy.
Wow, the market is busy today.
Yes, mornings are always busy.
I can see many colorful vegetables.
Good morning, Uncle. How much for 1 kilogram of tomatoes?
200 rupees per kilogram.
They look fresh. Can you make it 180 rupees?
Okay, for you, 180 rupees.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you want some tomatoes, sweetie?
Yes, these look yummy.
They're very fresh.
We'll take a bag.
Of course.
Wow, yes. They smell fresh and juicy.
Now, potatoes.
Potatoes are 150 rupees per kilogram.
How many kilograms should we buy? Wow, so many vegetables.
They look so fresh.
Picked this morning. Can I get one?
Here, 2 kg.
Good idea. My favorite carrots, fresh carrots.
1 kg of carrots, please. Here you go.
Mom, can we buy okra and eggplant?
Half kilogram of eggplant, please. Of course.
Fresh coriander and mint. These add so much flavor.
Yes, let's get some coriander.
We have almost everything now. Fresh coriander and mint. These add so much flavor.
Look at these apples, sweetie. So fresh.
Wow, Mommy, can we get some?
They are very sweet today.
We'll take a bag. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the farmer's market. Let's practice some phrases.
How much for 1 kilogram?
Can you make it cheaper?
How about 20% off the apples?
Yes, please.
These are fresh.
Can I have half kilogram?
Now fruit section.
Fruits are important too.
Can we buy bananas? I love them.
1 dozen bananas for 200 rupees. 1 dozen, please. And 1 kg apples. Of course. Here you are.
I love apples. They keep the doctor away.
All right, let's get these home.
Mom, the bags are heavy now.
We're almost there, sweetie. Yes, but we are almost done. Let's go home.
Mom, I enjoyed going to the market with you.
I enjoyed it too, sweetie. I enjoyed it too. We learned so much today.
I learned vegetable names, prices, seasons, and how to talk to vendors. Learning is fun when we do things together.
At home, we put everything on the table.
Look at all these colors: red, green, orange.
My favorite carrots look so shiny.
Mom, look at all the veggies.
They look so fresh and healthy.
This tomato is huge.
Perfect for our salad.
Bananas and apples too. So fresh.
Wow, everything looks beautiful.
Okay, let's wash them.
First, wash the vegetables well.
Next, cut the tomatoes and cucumbers.
Cut them into small pieces.
That's it, nice and steady. Perfect, keep going.
And coriander for flavor.
Then, add a little salt and lemon juice.
Finally, mix and enjoy. It's ready. Finally, mix and enjoy. It's ready.
Now, repeat the recipe with me. First, wash the vegetables. Next, cut the tomatoes and cucumbers. Then, add salt and lemon juice. And coriander for flavor. Finally, mix and enjoy. Repeat after me. Great job!
Now, let's recap the new words we learned today. 1. Tomatoes, potatoes, onions.
Carrots, cucumbers.
2. Spinach, coriander, eggplant. 3. Fresh, juicy, crunchy, healthy, seasonal. 4. How much bargaining kilogram? Great job remembering!
Now, quick quiz time. Pause and answer. Question 1. What is my favorite vegetable?
Carrot. Yes, carrots are my favorite. Question 2. How do we ask the price?
How much for 1 kilogram? Great if you got it.
Question 3. Name 3 healthy vegetables. You did amazing.
Thank you everyone for watching this long lesson and story. I hope you enjoyed learning English with me today. Eat fresh vegetables, stay healthy, and practice English every day. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Like this video and share it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot. Take care and goodbye.